Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1968 Chevelle. Has a small block 350 in it, automatic car, shifter in the floor, dual exhaust in the back, pretty slick paint job, nice set of tires on this one. You can pick up a lot of information on all of our cars and all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. So definitely go there, check that out before you give us a call. Also, guys, make sure this video doesn't say sold. If it says sold, the car's already gone. We're getting ready to do a test drive right after this. This is the walk around video, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find on the outside, inside trunk, under the hood. We'll give you some undercarriage shots by the end of the video. You can also get financed and hit transportation options at our website. Definitely check that out. Once again, that's maplemotors.com, guys. Front bumper on this car has definitely been replaced. You can tell it looks fresh, nice and new. Look at that grille. Headlight bezels are nice and clean. Looking down the side of the car, it's very straight. Paint's got a very nice shine to it. All the trim's looking pretty good around the windows. Mirrors have been replaced, same with the door handles. We're gonna get close to the bottom quarters of this car. All the panels, bottoms of the doors. Look for any rust bubbles, any spots that I may see. Trying to go slow enough for y'all to see everything. Like I said, if I see something, I'm gonna zoom in on it and tell you about it. But so far, so good on this car. Trim around the back windows looking nice and clean. We got some little dimples down in this crack here. Very common to see that. Hard spot to get paint down in, put it that way. Rear bumper also has been replaced. You can tell there's no scratches. I don't even see any imperfections on it. Somebody put some SS emblems on here. This is not a real SS car. I know I'm probably gonna get 100 comments on the fact that it's not a real SS, but we don't advertise it as that. Plus, I would love to find an SS in this condition for the price that we have it on. Once I make it back around, we're gonna open the trunk. We're gonna go down this side first though. See if I can find anything here. I love this color. Let's check the bottoms of this side. Couple little scratches in the trim up here in the front. This is a really nice car, guys. Gonna go in here and I'm gonna pop the trunk for you. Then we'll check the interior out and start this thing up. Wrong key. I never get it right the first time. Spare tire, jack, new weather stripping, some touch-up paint over here in the jam. Looks like somebody spattered the trunk. Looking for any leaks. I think right there's going to be a little bit of water coming in. I don't see it coming down the fenders, so I'm going to look up and see. Under here is pretty solid. It's not all rotten out. Could just be where I opened the trunk and came down, and I think it may be because there's a drip right here as well. A little bit of moisture getting in here. All right, let's go ahead and check the inside of this car out. Door panel's nice and clean. Weather stripping around the door panel's in good shape as well. Checking the bottoms of these doors here. Looks like they've got fairly new carpet in here. Seats in good condition as well. Trim as you enter the door. Looks like they've have replaced that as well. This is a really nice Chevelle. Headliner's in decent shape. There is a rip right here, and it looks like it's sagging on the passenger side. Couple speakers in the package tray. Back seats nice and clean. Panels in the back, same. They got seat belts up front. We'll be trying those out with a test drive video that we're getting ready to do right after this, so be sure to tune in. If you wait to the end, I'll put a little link that's easy to access for the test drive of this car. Go ahead and get the keys out here, and we'll start trying some stuff. Go ahead and get your bets, because I haven't even tried the horn on this one yet. If you think the horn works, go ahead and get your bets in. We got a good 50% chance that it may work. RPM's come up. Looks like our oil pressure's coming up under the dash here. Still cold, so the water temperature as it came up. Volt gauge is working as well. Looks like our gas gauge is a little over half a tank. Some other gauges in there. We'll watch them and see if they work on the test drive. Can't stand behind mileage because the guy told us this was a new motor that was put in here, but it's showing 49,000 miles. Go ahead and try our wipers, and they work. Now let's try the horn. It works. Just the right side. Go ahead and try our fan, see if our blower motor is working. Looks like we got a radio under the dash there. I think it's gonna need a blower fan. I felt a little bit of heat coming out from the dash, but I think that blower fan's out. Blower motor's out. Radio works. All right, B&M shifter in the floor. Go ahead and pop the hood here. I'm probably gonna have to flip the camera around because I only got one hand to open this hood, but you can open it from the inside here. Once it pops up, I gotta flip y'all upside down. All right. Insulation up under the hood, nice and clean. Decoated the motor, small block 350. Pretty valve covers. Polycarb, power steering. The fresh exhaust coming off of that. Motor's nice and quiet. Go ahead and shut the hood down. I'm going to give you some undercarriage shots now. Hood's coming down nice and easy. Go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots all the way around the car. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Let's go ahead and get these undershot. Heading on over to the driver's door here. Now to the rear. To the passenger side. All right guys, I really appreciate y'all watching. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. I post stuff every single day. Also check out maplemotors.com for financing information, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can see all of our inventory. We update once a week, every Monday. Try to give you honest, descriptive videos. There's a lot of people buy these cars from out of state and they don't want to drive all the way here without seeing all this. Getting ready to do a test drive. I'm going to put the link at the end of this video in the bottom right hand corner so you can click it, see the test drive video. We have over 1,100 videos online here. A lot of them are marked sold. Anything that is still available, we'll have it listed. You can also see it on the website, so easy to look up on YouTube here. This car, 1968 Chevelle Maple Motors. That's all you have to type in the search bar. Try that out with any car on the lot. It's just the year, model, and Maple Motors. If you like my recordings, I use a GoPro 7, a GoPro Max, and I have my attachments. I have all that information below in the description so you can get them right off Amazon. Appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again.